Welcome to the Travel Guardian. Today we are uncovering best places to visit and things to do in Budapest, Hungary in 1 minute. Hungarian Parliament Building, Zrinyi Utca, St. Stephen's Basilica, Dohány Street Synagogue, Hungarian State Opera House, Great Market Hall, Budapest Eye, Liberty Square, Chain Bridge, Buda Castle, Fisherman's Bastion, Matthias Church, Gelert Hill, Thermal Bath, Elizabeth Bridge, Heroes Square, Vajeshuniad Castle, Kalati Train Station, Danube River Cruise, Mary Magdalene Tower, Gresham Palace, Margaret Island, Ruin Bar. Comment your favorite beautiful place in Budapest and subscribe.